Do you suppose that professional hockey players have all the talent and skill they need to play the game at the very highest level? Now, even though obviously they won't win every game, doesn't it make sense that they can at least compete every single time? So, what happens? You know, I watched our local NHL team play recently, and I was struck by the similarity between them and underperforming agents. Now, clearly the millionaires who made it to the NHL know how to play the game. They're in great shape. They've had a lifetime of practice. They understand teamwork. They have the best trainers and coaches in the world. And yet, some days you'd swear your kids' team could do better. Now, aren't some advisors the same? They've got their licenses. They understand the business. They have the education and the CE credits. They practice the skills. Many have coaches to help them excel. Yet, despite their advantages, some still perform like rookies. Now, these producers and players have the same problem. They lack heart. Heart. Heart's the deep passion and enthusiasm for the game. It's the willingness to perform until exhausted. It's being long on commitment and short on excuses. It's being obsessed with the game and respecting responsibilities. It's being accountable to improve. Now, it's sad to watch talent on the ice or in the field fail for a lack of heart, but it's not fatal. You see, you don't need a surgeon for this heart transplant. Adding heart to your game is a personal decision to give it your all, no matter what. To decide once and for all that you actually want to. Obviously, everyone has excuses, but winners ignore the circumstances and give it their all for as long as it takes. Hey, would you like your team to have more heart? I can show you how. Call me. God bless, and I'll see you again next time.